Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainat Zulfa. In here, I will presentation my work is presentation article by Taudihul Afkar about influence analysis of mudorobah financing and court financing to profitability of Islamic banking Indonesia. Mudorobah financing. Mudorobah financing is a form of profit-sharing financing when the bank owes the owner of the fund or capital, commonly called sohibul mal or robul mal, profit capital to the entrepreneur as a manager, commonly called mudorib, to engage in productive activities on condition that the profit generated will be shared between them according to the agreement specified earlier in the contract, or which is also influenced by market force. In the event of a loss due to the normal process of the business and not due to the negligence or fraud of the manager. The loss is benefited by the owner of the capital, while the manager lost the personnel and expertise he has devoted. Next, court financing. Court is a virtual or soft loan with no rewards, usually for the purchase of fungible goods items that can be estimated and replaced by weight, size, and quantity. The object of court loans is money. The debtor can return his debt more than the principal of the debt without any compulsion from the owner of the fund or bank. Certain scholars allow lenders to burden the cost of lending service. The cost of this service is not an advantage, but is the actual cost incurred by the lender, such as the cost of building lease, staff salaries. Profitability. Profitability is the ability of a company to earn profit in relation to sales, total asset, as well as its own capital. So that for long-term investor will be every concerned with this profitability analysis. Profitability ratio is the result of the policy taken by the management which measure of the level of profit earned by the company. In determining the level of profitability, this study used return on equity and equity way. Return on equity is the ratio used to measure the ability of capital owned. And next, this is table of data recapitulation, and this table the source from Bank Indonesia. And then this is also a table about hypothesis testing, mudorobah financing, and court financing. Conclusion: hypothesis Anjani and Hesmaran research indicate mudorobah financing has no significant effect on the profitability of Syariah bank in Indonesia. This research shows difference with previous studies showing that mudorobah financing has a significant effect on profitability. The result of this study indicates that mudorobah financing is one of the financing that does not have a positive impact on the profitability of Syariah banks in Indonesia. Mudorobah is a financing scheme by means of profit sharing which is determined by both parties. So, there is possibly of significant risks of problematic financing and have an effect on ability of Islamic banking to get